Mark Pete, July 18, with Richards, Jurassic World Rebirth, Nobody 2, Superman. I'm here at Long Beach Town Center, everyone, except today. I'm gonna go to David Buster inside and see. I have a membership now. Here we go, and I can watch movie anytime.